Let's talk about yung four types of customers based sa effortless experience na book. And we'll talk about yung una. We have four actually. So let's run through it first. So we have the controller, the thinker, the entertainer, and the number four is the filler. So we'll talk about yung number one, I think pinakamadali, entertainer. So paano ba nag-work yung entertainer? So entertainer na customers normally try to build connection sa'yo, build rapport by trying to crack a joke, magpatawa sa'yo, or kamustahin ka during your conversation, during your call. So typically, that's how the entertainer works. And kung gusto natin i-resolve siya, we'll talk about it next video.